I use the flapper wheel. Just go easy, flapper wheel it the right way, because there's no cutting involved. There's no, I just want to see. I want to, be nice to have someone to hold this while I did this. I've been using the flapper wheel to hold it. So, just show you. That's what the end looks like. Just flapper wheeled it quickly, right? You would dare not notice that when your car's on your ride. Let's take a look at the end of it. I want to take a look at the end of it first. Now, you could do a little something with that. You could put a little chrome on that, clean that up a little bit, take that gluey stuff off. I haven't got it flapper wheeled down all the way yet. But basically, you can make that come down a little bit tighter. Hold that in there. And it's not down all the way yet. I'm going to put the clamp on it. Put a little silver paint on the end of it. Or you could run that little 1/8 strip of chrome down the edge of it and be done with it. So basically, I'm going to take this end off. And I'm going to put the clamp on it to hold that end down to make sure it stays down. Still got some stuff in there. Peel the poopy stuff off. Doesn't hurt the front. I'm going to lift it back up and show you. That's your bumper. Bolts are welded on from the inside. Bolts are welded on, so you can put your bracket back on. Clean that dirt off.
What's a real Briz bumper cost?
I'm not sure what a real one costs, but I bet you it's in the hundreds or thousands of dollars. I'm not sure, but right there is $160. $160. That was for the paint, the primer, the stripper wheel. We didn't even use a stripper wheel.
Yeah, true.
And all the chrome. So basically that's what you can do for that's Canadian money, $160. And I'm telling you right now, well, actually I want to do something. How much time we got?
We're at 1:10.
We're at 1:10. I want to do something.